How to measure your 9/16 trailer U-bolt kit for 8,000 pound axles. First, take your U-bolt. We're going to be measuring the rod diameter. In this case, assuming you have no calipers, we're going to use a piece of paper and wrap it around the rod. Once you've done that, look and see where the paper overlaps and make a mark with a pen or pencil. Then we're going to take that piece of paper and we're going to measure it against a measuring tape. And we're going to take that measurement and divide it by 3.14 to get the rod diameter. So in this case, we get a rod diameter of 9/16. Next, you're going to want to measure the leg length. So place the U-bolt on a flat surface, measure from the inside of the bend, which is the bottom of the U, straight down to the end of one leg. And you're going to want to measure to the very tip of the threads and record this as the leg length. In this case, we get a measurement of 8 inches. Next, you're going to want to measure the width between the legs. So measure the inside distance between the two legs and measure at the narrowest point just below the bend radius. Make sure you keep the ruler square to both legs and record this as the inside width. In this case, we get an inside width of 3.5 inches.